Okay, what's up guys? Paul here with a new YouTube vlog. Sawadee Cap to all my new Thai subscribers too. And have I got an exciting video for you guys today. Because after around 3 years living in Thailand, I have finally found the most beautiful Thai birds in all the land. I mean, I'm talking about bang, like in a Warner Brothers cartoon when the jaws hit the floor. That's what happened to me when I walked in here to BUMA Cafe and I saw these glorious, elegant Thai birds just sitting there looking at me. I was like, I even got a bit nervous to be honest when I saw these Thai birds. But once I got to know these Thai birds, I felt more comfortable around these Thai birds, and they are just so beautiful, so nice to be around. It's an amazing sight to see these Thai birds here at BUMA Cafe, yeah? So, I'm sure you're curious by now. So let's take a wander inside BUMA Cafe and see what I mean when I'm talking about finding the most beautiful Thai birds in all the land, yeah? Okay, so here we are inside BUMA Cafe. I'm ready to introduce you to these beautiful Thai birds, yeah? Let's go meet them. I'm a bit nervous. Alright. You ready? Yo, I promised you beautiful Thai birds at the start of this video. You can't say I didn't deliver on that. I was good to my word. We got Galaxy. There's Galaxy. Okay guys, so now I'm going to feed these elegant winged beasts some chicken feed, yeah? And this beauty right here is definitely my favorite. Talo, Chennai?
Yes, talo.
Talo. So beautiful. You know it. Ready? Human. Human. Yep. Wow. Okay. Now. Galaxy, human. Galaxy, Chennai.
Galaxy.
Can try to feed? She sleep?
Can try.
Okay. I love this one. This one looks like one of those very gothic owls from like a movie like Sleepy Hollow. You might see perched on a barn. It's important that there's something to come. So, wow, I'm using Ollie. This one. Oh, sleep.
I think sleep.
They maneuver their bodies, it's amazing. The use of the neck is so flexible. This one right here can almost turn her head 360 without moving her body. It's amazing.
Yes.
The way they use their bodies. We have a little bit left. Let's see a close up of the chicken, right? This one called Furby. Okay. Feed Furby. So feeding time was a success. So you have a little scissors, it's like a little nail scissors to feed them with. Just to protect your fingers in case they peck. So thank you guys for allowing me to feed you. Hope you mind. Okay, so now I think it's time I introduce you guys to these beautiful owl specimens, one by one, yeah? First we got Galaxy, the only female of the group. Beautiful, golden brown, sleepy owl, very sleepy. Sutlaw. Tiny Narakmag. So cute. Talot, the alpha male. There is no messing with him. Beautiful. So peaceful and serene, but with the stern eyes, you know who's boss. Then we have Furby. Hello, Furby. Finally, this one, Lucky. We can do our best. There we go. Okay, so there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this fun little tour of BUMA Cafe, the Owl Coffee Shop of Pattaya. Such a cool, unique and peaceful spot. So if you have that sort of animal curiosity like I do, or if you're particularly passionate about birds, if you're one of those bird watchers who likes to go out with binoculars and spot birds, you will love it here. Good coffee too. Shout out the coffee, you know, can't forget about the coffee here at BUMA. I've gone for the iced latte like I most often do. Very nice. Nice decor behind me here, as you can see, and yeah, it's just a really nice ambience to kick it, relax, and bask in that serenity of the nocturnal winged owl species. Cheers, guys. Copen cap. Twit-Twoo! Twit-Twoo!
Mm-hmm.